Commander, we have finally located a primary hive in the swamps of Typhon. We believe this hive houses a toxin pool that can supply us with the pure genetic sample we have been searching for. If you can secure a sample from this toxin pool, we'll be able to produce the weapon we need to destroy the hive fleet. This toxin sample may also allow us to counteract the poisons that are killing Captain Thule. Secure the toxin sample immediately, Commander. The fate of the entire sector depends on it. At the heart of the Tyranid hive lies the reclamation pool. We must have a sample of this purified essence. With it, we may revive Captain Thule. With it, we may develop weapons against the hive fleet itself.
Your target is on your map display. Collect the sample there.
Understood.
The Tyranids. Under attack. Enemy destroyed. It is under enemy attack. Direct our wrath anew. Take cover! Turn it down. Under attack.
Ambush!
Remember the Primarchs! They watch us still! Do not let them escape!
That was the last of them.
Expect more attacks.
Spore mines destroyed.
All guns!
Scout squad ready for orders. Excellent, Space Marines.
Come for us, brothers. Return the greeting in kind. Heading out. Moving up.
We've reached the toxin pool.
Commander, gather the sample at the pool's edge. This will allow us to prepare an antitoxin for Captain Thule.
Tyranid warrior, keep it off the commander!
Move on to the next target, Jenny.
Well done. Sample collected. Apothecary will begin analyzing the data to prepare the cure.
We have the sample. Our work is done. Make for the extraction point marked on the map.
Under attack. Destroy. Fine work, brothers. Hive knows good. Conserving ammunition.
Be vigilant. My judgments are
Seen. Under attack.
Bombardment from a hive node. Destroy it.
Another enemy crushed. Hone your zeal, brothers.
We need as you order.
Fusion's attacking.
Tear it down.
Target killed. Enemy has us pinned. Rain fire upon us and we shall return. Target eliminated.
Let's not. There are still
Moving to
Commander, toxin analysis complete. Beginning revival.
Rest not. There are still targets to engage.
heading out.
The chapter's recruits engaging as ordered.
Acknowledged.
Turn it down. We have engaged.
Direct our raft.
Brood nest ahead!
Best to destroy the rest of these nests, Commander.
Down. Next target. Look alive, brothers.
Little by little, we are thinning the swarm.
Pieces.
The Tyranids hatching from the nest!
Purge the enemy! For that cover!
Spore mines destroyed.
This is an advance on the enemy, brothers.
Only one nest left!
Spore mines destroyed. Scouts here. Still in
Destroyed their birthing chambers at last.
Valor at duty.
Hive Tyrant! Concentrate fire!
I am the Emperor's guest.
And Captain Thule is with us again.
Is that you, Gabriel?
It is Thaddeus, Captain. Do you not recognize me?
The secrets of Cronus shall not pass my lips.
Captain Thule must rest now. His revival was a long and difficult process.
Victory is but a prelude to the next battle. Administering the antitoxin.
Powering the armature. Captain Thule, can you hear us?
Excellent work, Commander. Captain Thule's return could be the difference in our fight to save the sector. It is good to see such a close friend and such a fierce warrior back from the dead, even if he is confined to a dreadnought. Most importantly, the biotoxin sample you collected will allow us to develop a weapon with which to deal a killing blow against the Hive fleet. With Angel Forge secure and the biotoxin sample from Typhon Hive in our hands, the battle goes well. It will all be for naught, however, if we cannot find a weak point in the Hive fleet itself. You must recover the astronomic data from the Tech Priest station on planet Typhon. The chapter, the sector, and the Imperium itself are counting on you, Commander.